Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this video, we'll be talking about like a couple of the power stations that are on sales right now, and they're ranging about anywhere from $350 all the way to about maybe $1,000. And okay, so first off, we're looking at this is the DJI Powers 1000 portable power stations. So it's 1024 watt hours. It is with the latest battery chemistry, lifepo4. And the inverter is 2200 watts, and then the peak is 2600 watts, so pretty much it can power a lot of stuff. And it has 140 watts of USB Type-C output, so that means you can charge your iPad, your MacBook, and your laptops. And it is silent solar generators for home backup camping and power outage solar panels. So this one you can get the you can charge with any portable solar panels, and like I said, the title says perfect for camping as well too. And right now, as you can see right here, it has $340 off. So looking at about what, $460 for this thing. And if you have drones, you know, like each drones, it's the battery in the drone doesn't last that much, maybe 30-40 minutes each, and then so you need to recharge them. And this is portable, so you can take it anywhere with you in the car, or even at the camping, in your RV. This is very good, and the price is awesome. As you can see, for the rating too, is 4.5 out of 5, and it has 79 rating, so which is not bad at all. And they do have different sizes here, and with different connectors, you can pick whichever you want. All right, so let's move on to the next one. The next one we're looking at is the Jackery Explorer 2000. This is the version 2. This one is a bigger size, is almost double the other ones, and same thing with the battery chemistry lifepo4, and it's 2,200 watt solar generator with 20 ms UPS, which is good. This is good if you have you're on some kind of medical device, which is good. And it does have USB Type-C power delivery, 100 watts, so that means you can charge all your laptops and iPad as well too. And this one, regular price is $14.99, which I don't think anyone's gonna pay for that price. However, right now, like limited deals, it has 40% off for $8.99, and right now, if you click on it, there's a coupons off for $99, so bringing that down to $799, which is an awesome deal. And Jackery is a well-known brand. It's not just somebody, a new kid on the block, so you know that. And looks how portable that is. All right, so this pretty much can power anything. All right. And okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, the last one we have here is Bluetti. So this is new versions from Bluetti, and it's called the Elite 200 V2. So again, this is almost the same size as the Jackery, and the same battery chemistry, and then with 2,600 watts AC output. So all these outputs right here put together is 2,600, and power lifting 3,900 watts. This one's expected 17 years of lifespan, and again, all of these are solar generators, so you can use any solar panels to recharge it, right? And Jackery usually sell their own solar panels, and same thing with Bluetti as well too. So, but if you can find any like rigid panels, you can charge that from there as well. And let's see here, just to give you a little bit of what it can do. So if it's a laptop, 60 watt hours, you can charge it 21.8 times. And if it's a fan, 40 watt hours, 31.7 hours. And if it's a kettle with 1,000 watt, you can run it for 1.6 hours. And with a griddle, 3,000 watt, it's 0.5 hours or 30 minutes. Using these are the panels from Bluetti, and you can charge this pretty much really nice. Let's see, 53 pounds, still portable enough for us to take it anywhere we want, right? So again, so this one is almost 2,000, and now you can get it for $900 off, so bring it down to maybe what, 1,100, not bad. And like some of the deals that they have right now with the panels as well. So this one does come with the solar panels, almost 3,000, 2,500. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much for this deals, guys. So if you're into like portable power stations, these are the well, except for the first one, the DJI, but the other two, they're well-known brand, and you can know that they will stand behind their products. So if there's any issues, you can contact them for support, right? But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.